I-94 near Rogers, Minnesota, March 30th, 2021. Big rig crashes are some of the most terrifying scenes you can witness on the road. These massive vehicles can weigh up to 80,000 pounds when fully loaded, and when they collide with smaller cars or other objects, the results can be devastating. The sheer size and weight of these trucks make them a serious threat to other drivers, and their presence on the road demands respect. These crashes don't just happen out of nowhere. There are usually warning signs or contributing factors that lead to them. From reckless driving to equipment failure, the causes can be numerous and complex. When you're driving on the highway, it's not uncommon to see a big rig weaving in and out of lanes or speeding down the road. The danger is real, and it's something we should all be aware of. The stats are staggering. Big rig crashes can be fatal, and even when they're not, they can cause significant injuries and property damage. That's why it's crucial for truck drivers to follow safety protocols and for other drivers to be vigilant on the road. A single mistake can have severe consequences. The footage I'm about to show you is a perfect example of just how intense these crashes can be.